Let's take you live to Darwin now. Northern Territory health officials are currently providing a COVID update. We have just learned that there is one new confirmed case in the Katherine cluster and also 3 unconfirmed cases in that cluster. We are waiting to hear further tests, but we understand they are close contacts. Mask mandates are being introduced for a number of locations. That's isn't it?
And the Chief Health Officer will speak to that. It is negative in all of those remote communities that we did have detection yesterday, but it's not to say it won't be positive on the next sampling, so the CHO can speak to that. Testing across the Territory yesterday, we did have 2,347 tests conducted, and of those 422 were in Katherine, and so that's a great response. Well done to the residents of Katherine. That is a fantastic effort. There's 176 close contacts, and of those, 150 have received negative results. We're working through the other 26 to ascertain their negative results. There could be more close contacts added as we see case numbers potentially rise. In terms of wastewater for other Territory locations, Alice Springs is still negative, and Tennant Creek has gone to a presumptive reading. So good signs there, but we're certainly not out of the woods. And just a couple of final updates before I hand to the CHO and we take any questions. We will make some changes to the Katherine area for home quarantine. This is something that I know the residents of Katherine have had a number of questions around. It was quite a narrow area. We'll be broadening that to the Katherine local government area, which means people that are potentially stuck in Darwin can now transit through to Katherine and home quarantine there. So I know there's a number of residents that have been impacted by that. And we'll also be making changes to aged care visiting in Katherine that at the moment people can't visit aged care. We'll be changing that to if you're double vaccinated, you can wear a mask and visit aged care. Only impacts a small number of people, but very important leading up to Christmas. The final point I'd like to make is just around the broader changes that the Chief Minister outlined last week. We're continuing to work very closely with industry groups, land councils, the community and health experts around those December 20 rules. We're very confident in the next few days we'll be able to make some changes that will allow families to come together, provide certainty to Territorians who do wish to visit family interstate during the Christmas, January holiday period, and of course for our tourism industry, whilst at the same time keeping our vulnerable communities and Territorians safe. So that's the update today. So relatively low case numbers, important information around the mask mandate, and we'll certainly, as we get more information, update the community. Happy to take any questions. Thank you.